Alright, y'all, we are removing an old ceiling fan that is probably older than my freaking grandma. Not really, it's probably from the 80s. It's disgusting as hell, and
hey y'all.
we're gonna take this down since he's stripping the ceiling. So let's get at it.
Well, in a little bit.
Alright. Yeah, I need a Phillips head, dude.
He's made hella
I
progress.
still don't have the
Dumb.
Fuck that. I hate fucking.
Alright, dude, AAA is recording. Alright, we're just gonna remove these two little ass screws. We have to remove this one and loosen the other one. Just gonna remove that one, I don't care where it goes. This is all junk.
You gonna throw this fan away?
Yes.
Why?
Look at it.
Still works though?
You want it on y'all's porch? I'll put it up on y'all's porch.
Clean it up.
Yeah?
Maybe.
That's one way to do it. Here's the top of it. Oh, don't do that.
Oh.
Ow. Okay, now all that's left
Bro, those are strong. as
is
fuck.
the ballast that holds it up.
How the fuck did you smoke those?
Alright, thanks for watching. Here is the downed fan.
Bro, for real.
Say bye.
Later, bros.